Welcome to Jiangsu Vano Intelligent Equipment Group Company, Limited, the manufacturer behind our global vacuum furnace brand, Normantherm. At Normantherm, we specialize in designing and manufacturing high-performance vacuum furnaces for brazing, heat treatment, and advanced thermal processing. Each furnace is assembled in-house with strict control over materials, structure, and key components. The vacuum chamber is manufactured using molybdenum-lanthanum alloy, providing excellent high-temperature strength, thermal stability, and long service life for demanding vacuum processes. Advanced control systems allow precise temperature programming, stable vacuum levels, and repeatable process control. In our experimental laboratory, we perform sample brazing and heat treatment trials to optimize process parameters and ensure each furnace meets specific customer application requirements. We support vacuum brazing and heat treatment for aluminum, stainless steel, titanium, and specialty alloys. Our vacuum furnaces are widely applied across critical industries, including the aerospace, automobile, medical, semiconductor, and tools and dies industry. Global customers visit our facility to inspect equipment, validate processes, and build long-term cooperation. Every furnace is fully tested, professionally packed, and prepared for safe international delivery. Normantherm is a reliable vacuum furnace solutions for advanced manufacturing industries worldwide. Contact our engineering team for a technical consultation today.